To upload files to your website using Godaddy, you will need to have a few things ready. First, make sure you have a Godaddy account and your website is set up. You will also need an FTP client, which is a program that helps you transfer files from your computer to your website. You can use Godaddy's built-in FTP client or download a third-party FTP client such as FileZilla. If you choose to use Godaddy's FTP client, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to the File Manager section. If you are using a third-party FTP client, you will need to enter your FTP credentials, which can be found in your Godaddy account settings. The credentials you will need are the FTP host, username, and password. Once you have your FTP client set up, you can begin uploading files to your website. To do this, simply select the files you want to upload from your computer and drag them to the FTP client. You can also right-click on the files and select Upload. It is a good idea to create a folder structure on your website to keep your files organized. This will make it easier to find the files you need and prevent them from getting lost. When uploading files, make sure to upload them to the correct directory. The most common directory is the public_HTML directory, which is where your website's files are stored. It is also important to note the file types and sizes that are allowed on your website. Some file types may be restricted for security reasons, and large files may take a long time to upload. Finally, once your files are uploaded, make sure to test them to ensure they are working properly. You can do this by visiting your website and checking that the files are displaying correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully upload files to your website using Godaddy. Remember to always keep your FTP credentials secure and to only upload files that are necessary for your website.